Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. I'm going to call it a wonderful Wednesday. Last night, we had fun. We did a taco salad bar, and I call it that because I like to have both of us build our own salads or baked potatoes or whatever, because we all have our own likes, dislikes, preferences, and so forth. So, and you can make this taco salad bar any way you want. We had fun with it. I will add up the list because there is a little bit of a recipe for the dressing, which was actually very nice. It worked really well for a taco salad. So I will get this posted up later. Today, whatever, dinner is going to be simple grilled cheese with tomato basil bisque. Yeah, I decided to go fancy and do the bisque instead of just regular tomato soup. All right, let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Fry pan for the grilled cheese and Dutch oven for the bisque. We just like plain Jane, regular old, regular grilled cheese sandwiches. American cheese, butter, and bread. This is something Robin picked out. It should be yummy. For the bisque, onion, I'm going to use a little bit of garlic and some stock. I'm going to add this lonely Roma tomato, all chopped up. And I'm using Cinto puree. Of course, you got to have butter, heavy cream, a little bit of maple syrup for sweetening, parsley flakes, whole thyme, oregano, and this is the basil that I harvested from the farmer's market that I dried and so forth and yada yada yada. So this is really, like, other than using fresh, this is as fresh as you can get because it's only a few weeks old. Yeah. And I'm going to top this off with some Romano. And I get to use one of my favorite tools in the kitchen, the boat motor, aka immersion blender. Not much up to blend except for the onion and so forth, blah, blah, blah. But yeah. So that's what we got going on. Went over to the local spicery yesterday. I had to pick up some supplies for the new spice blends that I am doing here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Got to see the owner. He was great. He loves what we're doing here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Shout out to the local spicery. They're always great to work with. Yeah, there's even local spiceries in this, the oregano. Yes, I do use some of the local spicery herbs and spices in my blends. So, on this wonderful Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun